I made an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then
Hi everyone, happy Sunday. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday with your loved ones, and thank you so much for returning for another video. And if you're new, my name is Shule and I really love decorating my home and sharing what I know to help you get inspired to decorate your own homes. This season and possibly next, I decided to go back to black. When I was decorating my first home, I loved swirls pattern. It was everywhere around my house, and I loved black because the carpet in that house was sage, so I couldn't use my purple, so I was using autumnal colors instead. That was many years ago. I don't have many black items since then, so I bought this one from a charity shop, from a thrift store for only £6, and I decided to give it a facelift using matte black spray paint. The paint is from the range store and I think it was $7.99.
Then I kept walking on down the road. When the time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on.
Probably you recognize this black raised bowl, I don't know what's it called, using Poundland items. The bottom part is an old IKEA glass, and the top part is a dog food bowl, and I spray painted using texture spray. Originally it was white. For another DIY I decided to turn it into black color. And here's my item. This one is from HomeSense. It has a marble base and it was £25, and this one is new as well, velvet from HomeSense. I'm using rule of 5 on this side.
Life is gonna happen.
For the middle I'll be using this candle holder, and it was a bargain in clearance section, only £13. Original price is £35. Inside glass insert was missing, but I used another candle holder's insert and it fits perfectly. New candle for the new season, pumpkin and spice. Smells lovely, and inside is black as well, has 2 wicks, and I'm not going to use the right inside, but I'm going to use the black side instead. New painting required for the new color scheme, so this is one of them. Probably you've seen it in my previous video. I asked you which one that I will be keeping in my last video, and many of you guessed it right. Yes, I am keeping style number 1. I'm I'm using my fuchsia color candle holders, either from Poundland, £3 each, or they were from Home Bargains, again £3 each, one of the other. This one is from Home Bargains. It was glittery black and I glammed it up. This jar is from Dunelm. Original color was teal. I turned it into purple and now it's black. This pumpkin, originally from eBay, was orange and I gave it a makeover, glammed it up a few years ago. Now I'm going to use it as a base for this mercury glass LED pumpkin from HomeSense. On the other side of the TV, I'm using this beautiful ginger jar mirror mosaic that I bought from Turkey and I managed to bring home without damaging it. Candle holder is from HomeSense and I'll be using another DIY pumpkin of mine on top. This Sea Gallery inspired pumpkin probably is my favorite out of all the DIYs I made. Black maple leaves are from the Range store and they were autumnal colors and I spray painted using the same thing. One of them fell perfect because that's what happened in fall season. So I'm placing it on the side of the lid. This one is from where did I get it from? B&M, and it was only £3. Beautiful iridescent pink color, but I think it's too much, so I'm gonna remove it in a minute. I'm going to replace my turquoise velvet cushions from HomeSense with these gorgeous velvet from Amazon. This beautiful art is going to be replaced with a new one as well. Now let's make my cozy corner even cozier. This little blanket is a baby blanket from B&M store and I saw some pom-poms that I bought from B&Q and the chair is from Amazon. This is a new basket. I haven't removed the tags because I don't know whether I'm going to keep it or not, but when I see it in other videos in other homes, I really love how cozy it looks, so I thought I'll try to see if it would work in my small house. I'll be using this gorgeous cushion. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I love this cushion, and it's two-sided. One side is for fall, the other side is for Christmas. One of these days I am going to make a video how I did this DIY. It's just too many video ideas and too little time. If you are enjoying the video so far, please do subscribe for more inspirational and relaxing home related videos. For my coffee table, I'm using this new book, Decor, Perfect Colors, Black and Lavender. Really love it, and it's from Amazon. I will leave all the links of the items that I bought from Amazon in my description box. And this is another candle holder that I recently purchased, and I removed the glass insert and used it on the other one. And I'm putting this eBay pumpkin that I bought several years ago inside.
If it all breaks,
this was gold from HomeSense and I turned it into silver. However, the mercury glass and the silver clashed. I didn't like it, so I had to come up with something else. And you are going to see what I came up with in the reveal. My abstract art is finished. Well, almost. I don't know if it's finished or not, to tell you the truth. Almost done. Now I'm going to show you the big reveal. Are you ready?
I'm with you through life and to death.
This is the side of the kitchen, and I tried to glam it up using this gorgeous mirror from Dunelm, and it was on sale for only £35.
Wherever you're going, I'm going too.
This candle is new. I couldn't resist. Perfect color, and it says hello fall.
Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey,
I tried to add some black picks, some of them DIY. This one is from AliExpress. I thought I was buying a bunch. Only one single arrived, so I have to go back, maybe to Amazon, to buy more of these lilies.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate.
This is the latest look of my coffee table, and I spray painted this candle holder to black color and elevated this gorgeous pumpkin, which is the same shade as the book.
Let's find something new.
Here's my artwork. I don't think it's finished, just looking at it, and I can see loads of stuff to improve on. So for now it can stay until a nice weather and a lot of time, so I can finish it off. These are my cushions, and I managed to find a beautiful super soft blanket as well in HomeSense, and it was only $16.99. Pumpkin candle is from next door that I bought a couple of years ago. I'm now going to show you what I'm doing with my lantern, and I was just sticking everything I think I can use when I'm transitioning it. So this one, a possibility from HomeSense, clearance £10, original 13, and I was just sticking everything to see which one I will use. These ribbons are from Hobbycraft, I believe, Hobbycraft, and 1 meter each, perfect color. So let's tackle with the topper first. I don't want a big bow, I'm just using very elegant, very low-key ribbon arrangements. So this is what I'm doing, arranging it on top of each other, going with widest to narrowest ribbon and alternating the colors. And I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom as well.
Let's leave the past behind.
I'm just arranging, color coordinating florals and picks for the top. I was going to do really low key, and in the end it got a really big topper. I don't know what happened. Maximalist in me got in charge, and I made a huge topper.
No need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles come true.
I will be using this fuchsia color velvet pumpkin that I created few videos ago, and this paper mache one spray painted in black. Now I'm going to do a similar top to coordinate with the velvet one.
My hand, let's find something new, me and you.
Really love how they coordinate even though the sizes and the materials are different. Let's assemble the whole thing and then I'll show you how I'm going to use it on my lantern.
The other boys, give my thanks only like an ex could. Now I know I made the right choice. Oh, oh, oh.
I will be using another glass insert. This is wider, and around it I have these black marbles that is sold in a garden center, and it's sold as plant toppers or planter toppers.
With you, and I thought you'd change, but you go back to the same old ways. Yeah,
Originally I was going to use white ones, then I decided to use this purple LED candle instead. I have a matching wired ribbon as well that I bought from the rain store.
I'm so done with you.
This fairy light is from Amazon and it has a timer, and you can change to different modes as well. And here is the reveal. I really love how it turned out.
But you go back to the same old way.
Candles and fairy lights makes a home really cozy, and this cozy corner even cozier with my gorgeous lantern on one side and my cozy basket full of blankets on the other. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it inspirational to decorate your own homes. Don't forget to come back for more, as I have more areas to decorate for this season. Until the next video, stay safe my friends. Bye bye.